if we could make a vintage enameled picture out of this clearance find I had from Michael's. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So here's a picture. I got it for 80% off at the Michael's. Now, I originally started painting it with a brush, and I could see the brush strokes, and if you know anything about me, you know I cannot stand brush strokes. So I decided to use my dauber, and this is white chalk paint. The brand is Waverly, and the color is Snow White. And so all I did was just go all around with my dauber. I made sure to get in the nooks and crannies. I did use the brush to get into, you know, like the really tight spots around the handle and around the edge of the top. But other than that, I just went with the dauber, only because, again, it gives a really cool texture look to it and no brush strokes, which I like. And that means that also that I don't have to do as many coats. I only did one coat of paint, so bingo bango, that's a win for me. All right, and then I also did the inside. I did not go the entirety, just this funnel-like part of the top. Perfect. Then I let it dry. And then, okay, so listen, I know y'all are going to shake your head. I'm using a dry brush and I'm using some black chalk paint. And listen, as you watch this, please love me through it. Please don't be mad. I'm mad at myself because I messed it up, but it's okay. It's okay. I only paid a couple bucks for the picture, and it was a good learning experience. But so I started with the black chalk paint on the dry brush, and I'm going around trying to make it look enameled, and I'm there for it. Like, I like this. This looks really cool. And then, I totally messed it up when I did that. I continued doing around the edges and around the sides, and then I thought, well, because I did that to the handle, I'm like, do I need to go further with it? So I started going a little bit crazy with the distressing. And, you know, as I'm looking at, listen, I'm watching this again and I'm like, why did you do it? I know. But you know what? We don't know until we know, right? And that's the cool thing about getting really inexpensive stuff to remake, that I can have some creative freedom and not feel like I've just wasted a lot. So again, I'm still in a good place, and this is where I start going really off the rails. And I know. I mean, am I mad? Not really. I think it still looks good. Once all of that was dry, I added some dishwasher safe Mod Podge to the outside and to that part on the funnel on the inside that we did, just because I want to be able to put water in it so that I can put flowers in mine on my table. Now listen, I'm not mad. Like, this is still super cute, but I think it was really cute before I did all of the mess up. But it's okay. I don't mind. I'm still like, look how pretty this is. This is going to look great on my table. I'm not mad. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.